Student Council presents Elephant and Piggie, I Broke My Trunk.
Hang on a minute, why are you doing another Elephant and Piggie book? You did an Elephant and Piggie book last year.
That's true. We did put on a skit for Elephant and Piggie book last year.
Well, why can't I have a turn?
Well, Pigeon, unfortunately we took a vote in Student Council meeting and everyone wanted to do an Elephant and Piggie book.
What? You're telling me you took a vote and you didn't pick me?
I guess so. Sorry, Pigeon.
I want to be in the play. Tell you what, if you let me be in the play, I'll do your chores for an entire month.
We already planned out the whole play. We typed up the script already.
Please let me be in the play. I'll type up a new script for you.
But we made all these pictures for this play already, so you can't be in the play.
I never get to do anything.
It's okay, Pigeon. You are already in the play. This is the play. You gotta be in the play after all.
Really? I'm in the play? Wow, this is the best part of the play, you know? The part with me in it. Hey, everyone watching the play. Yeah, you. Everyone watching in the gym right now. You have already seen the best part of the play. You don't have to watch the rest of the play now.
Let's just get started. Student Council representatives are Emma and Zoe S. as narrator, Avery as Piggy, Serenity as Pigeon, and Brody as Gerald. With artwork by Sophie, Elena, Aloysia, Nova, Cam, Dean, Aliana, and Mrs. Sutliff.
I wonder why I haven't seen Gerald today. That's weird.
Gerald comes in wearing a bandage on his trunk.
Gerald! What is on your trunk?
That's a bandage.
Gerald grabs his trunk and looks embarrassed.
I broke my trunk.
Piggy shrugs.
How did you break your trunk?
The story is so long and crazy.
Piggy sits down and looks excited.
Tell it, tell it, tell it.
So Gerald tells Piggy the long and crazy story.
So I was playing with Hippo.
Hippo and Gerald play together all the time. They are good friends, but not the best friends. Gerald and Piggy are best friends.
I had a fun idea. I wanted to lift Hippo onto my trunk.
Piggy looks confused.
Why would you want to lift Hippo on your trunk?
Gerald shrugs.
Just because.
Okay.
So I lifted Hippo onto my trunk.
Gerald lifted Hippo onto his trunk. It was fun.
But a hippo on your trunk is very heavy.
Hippo was having fun, but Gerald was having a hard time holding him up. Be careful, Gerald.
Is that how you broke your trunk?
No, there is more to my story.
So what happened?
Then Rhino came, and he wanted a turn.
Gerald was already holding up Hippo, and then Rhino came and wanted to join in. Can he hold both of them up? I don't know if this is a good idea.
What did you do?
I lifted them both onto my trunk.
Both Rhino and Hippo are having fun, and Gerald is doing a great job lifting them up onto his trunk. Can he keep it up, or will he drop them?
But a hippo and a rhino on your trunk are very heavy.
Oh no, Gerald, don't drop them.
Is that how you broke your trunk?
Nope. There is more to my story. Then Hippo's sister showed up.
Hippo has a sister?
A big sister.
Hippo's sister waved hello. Did she want to turn too?
Did she want to turn too?
Yes.
Piggy covers her eyes. This is getting ridiculous.
But she also wanted to play piano.
A very big piano.
But two hippos, one rhino, and a piano on your trunk are very, very heavy.
Oh no, Gerald, don't drop everyone. You can do it.
Is that how you broke your trunk?
No, there is more to my story.
Gerald shakes his head.
This is a very long, crazy story.
Piggy is getting impatient.
Gerald, can I have one tiny favor? How did you break your trunk?
Well, I was so proud of what I had done that I ran to tell my very best friend about it.
Gerald looks embarrassed.
But I tripped and fell and broke my trunk.
Gerald ran so fast he fell down on his trunk. Whoop.
You broke your trunk running to tell me your story?
Yeah.
This is a crazy story. That is a funny story. I want to tell your crazy funny story.
Piggy runs so fast she falls down on her snout. Whoop!
notices Piggy with a bandage on her snout.
Piggy, what happened to your snout?
Piggy looks annoyed.
It's a long, crazy story.
And that's how Gerald broke Piggy's snout.
I hope you enjoyed this student council production of Elephant and Piggie, I Broke My Trunk.
Maybe this play needs more of me in it.
But the play is over now, Pigeon.
But I want to be in the play again.
I don't know what to tell you, Pigeon. This story is all done.
If you let me be in the play, I'll do your homework for 3 months.
We have to do our own homework, Pigeon. It's cheating if we let you do it.
Let me be in the play.
Maybe you can be the doctor and take a look at Piggy's snout for her.
Really? I can be a doctor? I could be in the play?
Sure, go ahead, Pigeon.
Pigeon is now a doctor. He checks Piggy's snout. Yep, it's broken after all. Don't worry, Piggy. You're in good hands with Pigeon as your doctor.
Are you sure?
Piggy gives a worried look at Pigeon.
Pigeon is going to give Piggy a shot to make her feel better.
The end.